Good morning, student. Today I will discuss about the chapter surface area and volume. That is the chapter number 13. Surface area and volume. This is the chapter. Today I will discuss about the right circular cylinder. Actually, in previous chapter I was discussed about the cube and cuboid. And the exercise 13.2 based on the right circular cylinder. So what is the right circular cylinder? So this is the shape of the right circular cylinder. There are two terms here. One is the height and this is the radius. Means R for the radius and H for height. First one is the curved surface area. What is the formula for the curved surface area and what is the meaning of the curved surface area? Curved surface area. In short, it is known as CSA and its formula is 2 pi RH. Okay. And second one is the curved surface area, total surface area. Total surface area. And the meaning of total surface area is TSA and it is equal to 2 pi R H plus 2 pi R square. When we take the 2 pi R as a common, it gives H plus R. And third formula is the volume. What is the volume? See here. Volume, that is denoted by V and its formula is pi R square H. These two are the formula. Dear student, I am going to show you what is the, suppose this area is the plane area. When we fold it, it form a right circular cylinder. In right circular cylinder, this area, outer area is known as the curved surface area because when we fold it, it's become a right circular cylinder. So this area is known as the curved surface area. And what is the total surface area? When we cover the this circular area, one circle here and one circle. So in total surface area we have to add 2 pi R square because area of one circle is the pi R square and two circle is here. One is this and second one is the this. So we add the 2 pi R square. And what is the volume? The amount of liquid or anything that can fill in this is known as the volume. So these are the basic formula related to the right circular cylinder. Now one more topic is here, that is the hollow cylinder. What is the hollow cylinder? So what is the hollow cylinder? Hollow cylinder. In hollow cylinder means there are two radius. cylinder. The figure of the hollow cylinder is like this. There are two radius here. One is the inner radius and second one is the outer radius. And this is the H. So, capital R for the outer radius, so capital R means student. So capital R equal to outer radius. Outer radius, small r, that is the inner radius. And S for the height. So, dear student, what about the curved surface area of the hollow cylinder? So, curved surface area CSC, that is 2 pi capital R H plus 2 pi small r h. It means 2 pi is a common capital R plus small r into h. That is the curved surface area. Okay. Second one is the total surface area. Total surface area of hollow cylinder, TSC. It is the curved surface area 2 pi capital R plus small r h plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Anything is common in both? 2 pi capital R plus small r, we will get h plus capital R minus small r. This is the formula for the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. And one more formula, that is the volume. Pi capital R square minus small r square into h. With the help of this formula, we can solve the exercise 14.2. See one question. Okay, thank you.